So I am so excited to show you this ice cream maker from Briobite, and it is a portable, rechargeable ice cream maker. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this and how great the ice cream is when you make it homemade using this. It tastes wonderful. So watch me as I unpack this and make some ice cream, and I'll tell you what I love about it. So for one thing, when it runs, it's very quiet. It's not loud like a lot of the other ice cream makers out there on the market. The other thing that I like about this is it's lightweight and portable, and it has a built-in battery that's rechargeable, and it comes with the USB cord to recharge that battery. So you just put the tub in your freezer for 12 hours till it freezes. You take it out, you put in your mixed ingredients for your ice cream, and then you turn on the button, and in about 20 minutes you have this great ice cream that tastes wonderful and it's homemade. Another great thing is this is something that you can take with you when you go to people's houses, when you go to barbecues, parties, and you can take this outside on your porch and make ice cream outside and be with your friends. So it was so easy to make. I really like this, and I think you're gonna love it too. So here's the ice cream. It is so good, guys. I wish you were here to try this, but it is so great being able to make your own ice cream here at home. And the Briobite ice cream maker did a great job at making my ice cream. So this stuff is so good. This stuff is delicious. I love chocolate. Making your own ice cream is so good. I think you're gonna love it too.